Question number 1. Which of the following is not a business analytics tool?
Nice work. You chose Data Mart, and it is correct.
Question number 2. How can Power BI detect atypical values and data trends?
Solid response. Use quick conclusions is a valid choice.
Question number 3. What type of data type can be used for B Power except?
Correct. PowerPoint is the right answer.
Question number 4. Which of the following options best describes Power? B. Strong choice. Data display and analysis tool is the right answer. Question number 5. Where do you go in Power BI Desktop to connect to data? Nice selection. Get data is the correct and valid answer. Question number 6. What is needed to get Power BI service or in the cloud? Exactly. A web explorer and an email address makes sense, and it is right choice.
Question number 7. 47. Where are the datasets scheduled refreshes configured?
Smart pick. Power BI service is the correct choice.
Question number 8. What cloud platform is used to store Power BI services?
Well reasoned. Azure is the correct choice.
Question number 9. What work environments do we find in Power BI Desktop?
Well done. Power Query or Power BI is the right choice. Question number 10. What is the main function of Power Query in Power BI? On track. Import, clean and transform data is the correct answer.
Question number 11. In which year the beginning of Power BI is considered?
Bravo, 2015 is the answer. Question number 12. The dashboards are created in Dash window of Power BI. Smart move. Report view is an accurate answer. Question number 13. What data can be used by BiPower to create a report? Excellent choice. All answers are correct is the right answer. Question number 14. What main components make up the Power BI ecosystem? Great thinking. Power BI Desktop, Power BI Service, Power BI Mobile is the right choice. Question number 15. Which data type can be uploaded directly to Power BI?
Excellent. All of these answers is a brilliant choice.
Question number 16. What type of businesses can benefit from Power BI? You got it. Your choice business of all sizes is right. Question number 17. Power BI is an open source tool owned by Microsoft. Right choice. Yes is the best answer. Question number 18. What are the 3 core views in Power BI Desktop? Nicely done. Report, data, relationships is a solid answer. Question number 19. What tool allows us to consult and edit the data? Perfect. Power Query is the correct choice. Question number 20. Where would you go in Power BI to create visuals? Right again. Report view is a valid answer. Question number 21. Choose source data which can be used by BiPower. Good thinking. Excel OneDrive is the right answer. Question number 22. Which of the following is a feature of Power BI? Good job. Your answer interactive visualizations works well here. Question number 23. What is the purpose of viewing data in Power BI? You chose present data in a visual and interactive format. And it is correct. Question number 24. With which another name is known the Power Query?
clear logic. Your choice, Ethel, is sound and 100% true. Question number 25. What is Power Query Editor used for in Power BI?
Sharp thinking. Data transformation and preparation is the right choice.
Question number 26. Which one is the extension of the Power BI file?
Valid point. PBIX is true. Question number 27. Power BI assembles the data model automatically. Correct response. Sometimes is the most accurate answer.
Question number 28. What are the media we have to download Power BI?
Well picked. All of the above is the correct answer. Question number 29. What is the name of the BI Power Maker company? You're right. Microsoft is the correct answer.
Question number 30. The components of desktop Power BI are accept.
Great job. Excel is the accurate answer. Question number 31. Many like to parallel the name of the Power BI. Right again. Business Analytics tool is a valid answer. Question number 32. 3 BI Power elements are the following. Accept. Good thinking. Server is the right answer. Question number 33. What is Microsoft Power BI primarily used for? Strong choice. Business Analytics and Data Visualization is the right answer. Question number 34. They are the work views of Microsoft Power BI. Well picked. Views of reports, data, and relationships is the correct answer. Question number 35. Name a subtheme related to Microsoft Power BI. You're right. Creation of views and interactive panels is the correct answer. Question number 36. Power BI belongs to which cloud service group? Bravo. SES is the answer. Question number 37. Microsoft Power BI was first launched on Dash. Well reasoned. July 2015 is the correct choice. Question number 38. How does Power BI simplify Excel data import? Correct response. Through an intuitive import assistant is the most accurate answer. Question number 39. How to view Excel imported data on Power BI? Sharp thinking. Through view options available on Power BI is the right choice. Question number 40. What is the main use of slice in Power BI? Correct. Filter data interactively in reports and panels is the right answer. Question number 41. How can you create a hierarchy in Power BI? Nice selection. By creating a hierarchy structure in the data model is the correct and valid answer. Question number 42. The tool that is no longer used in Excel is? Right choice. Power View is the best answer. Question number 43. What is the purpose of Power BI data flows? Good job. Your answer to automate data transformation and cleansing processes works well here. Question number 44. What do we find in the Power BI interface? Smart move. All of the above is an accurate answer. Question number 45. What auxiliary tool uses DAX as a language? Well done. Power Pivot is the right choice. Question number 46. Time intelligence is created in the tool. Nice work. You chose Power Pivot and it is correct.
Question number 47. What does the B in Power BI stand for?
Great thinking. Business intelligence is the right choice.
Question number 48. What extension file produced by Power BI?
Solid response affix is a valid choice. Question number 49. What are the sources we can obtain data? Valid point. Excel SQL Server access text files etc. is true.
Question number 50. When was Power BI launched by Microsoft?
Excellent. July 24, 2015 is a brilliant choice.
Question number 51. What is the main function of BiPower?
Perfect. Data visualization is the correct choice.
Question number 52. How much is the Power BI Pro license?
Nicely done. 10 GB is a solid answer.
Question number 53. What is the main purpose of Power BI?
Excellent choice. Perform data analysis and display is the right answer.
Question number 54. Dash is also known as Power BI Online. You got it? Your choice Power BI service is right?
Question number 55. What company does Power BI belong to?
Clear logic. Your choice Microsoft is sound and 100% true.
Question number 56. What auxiliary tool is considered idle? Smart pick. Power Query is the correct choice.
Question number 57. Power BI belongs to the company Dash.
Exactly. Microsoft makes sense and it is right choice.
Question number 58. Which tool is provided by Microsoft?
You chose Power BI, and it is correct.
Question number 59. The M language is used in the tool.
On track. Power Query is the correct answer.
Question number 60. What is Power BI Desktop used for?
Great job. Creating interactive data visualizations and reports is the accurate answer.
Question number 61. What is DAX language in Power BI?
Well reasoned. A formula language for calculations and data analysis is the correct choice.
Question number 62. What is the function of Power BI?
Correct. All previous is the right answer.
Question number 63. What is a data model in Power BI?
Valid point. A structure that establishes relationships between tables is true.
Question number 64. What is the Power BI file format?
Excellent choice. PPIX is the right answer.
Question number 65. Is the full of the word Power BI?
Nicely done. Power Business Intelligence is a solid answer.
Question number 66. What are the Power BI components?
Great job. Power BI Desktop. Power BI Service. Power BI Mobile is the accurate answer.
Question number 67. Which company develops Power BI?
Great thinking. Microsoft is the right choice.
Question number 68. What is a dashboard in Power BI?
You're right. A set of reports and visualizations is the correct answer.
Question number 69. In Power BI, the BI stands for?
Right again. Business intelligence is a valid answer.
Question number 70. What kind of tool is Power BI?
Strong choice. Data display is the right answer.
Question number 71. What is a measure in Power BI?
Perfect. A calculation that summarizes data in a table is the correct choice.
Question number 72. What does Power BI stand for?
You got it. Your choice Power Business Intelligence is right.
Question number 73. What is the company Power BI? smart move. Microsoft is an accurate answer.
Question number 74. What is your Power BI goal?
Right choice. Creative interactive dashboards is the best answer.
Question number 75. The Power BI free tool is? Nice work. You chose Power BI Desktop and it is correct.
Question number 76. What does Power BI means?
Excellent. Power Business Intelligence is a brilliant choice.
Question number 77. Power BI can be used in?
Well picked. Power BI Desktop, Power BI Web, Power BI Mobile is the correct answer. Question number 78. Power BI is a tool for? Good job. Your answer, Microsoft, works well here. Question number 79. Power BI is a dash. Solid response. Microsoft is a valid choice. Question number 80. What is Power BI?
Sharp thinking. A viewing and data analysis tool is the right choice.
Question number 81. How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format. Correct response. Contact Narayan Changder is the most accurate answer.